All thanks to the non-stop rain and the high humidity levels, the monsoon season is a clear trouble for our hair. It causes scalp issues like dandruff, irritation, itchiness along with hair fall and frizziness. But as I always believe, there is no beauty woe in the world that some TLC can't solve. Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you the ultimate scalp care routine that will save your hair this monsoon. Now before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. The first step is to oil the hair. Oiling your hair is similar to eating food for nourishment. It's one of the best ways to take care of your hair during the monsoon season, as a nourishing oil massage will not only boost blood circulation but also restore all the moisture that is lost due to humid weather conditions in monsoon. I generally follow the old school champi at least once a week with this oil, which is infused with a powerful Ayurvedic concoction of Bhringraj and Swetakutuja. This oil effectively elevates itchy scalp, which is very common in monsoons, thereby adding nourishment to it. I am talking about the Indulekha Bhringa hair oil. Just take some small sections of your hair and apply the oil in between the sections on the scalp. Then with a light hand, massage the oil through the hair. I also like to use a scalp massager, which is basically a handheld brush with soft silicone or synthetic bristles that works to stimulate and exfoliate the scalp while increasing follicle circulation and blood circulation. The next step is to keep the scalp clean, as it is the key to getting healthy and strong hair. Reason being, rainwater is mixed with impurities, pollutants and chemicals which can cause infections like itchiness, dandruff, hair fall, and can also ruin the quality of the hair by making it frizzy and dry. Therefore, a regular hair wash with a mild shampoo followed by a conditioner is a must. Speaking of which, this is why I rely on this monsoon season. It's the Love Beauty and Planet Natural Argan Oil and Lavender Anti-Frizz Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. This duo has ethically sourced French hand-cut lavender, pure Moroccan argan oil and 100% organic coconut oil. Both these ingredients are highly moisturizing, which will help tame frizz, flyaways and restore shine and smoothness. The best part is that this duo is free from baddies like silicone, paraben and artificial color, so you can be reassured that it is not going to irritate the scalp in any wrong way. Plus, the calming scent of lavender will mask any odor that may occur due to greasy scalp. As a tip, I'd like to mention that you should be very gentle while drying your hair. Do not rub the scalp too much, as it can weaken the hair follicles. Also guys, if you want to see more monsoon related videos, then tap on the eye icon on the top right. Next, I'm going to apply hair serum. Now during monsoon, due to the moisture content in the air, your hair starts dancing in different directions, giving you frizzy hair. Yay, you might not have a legit dance move, but your hair sure does know how to tango thanks to the extra moisture content in the scalp. So what a serum does is, it adds a protective layer to the hair to seal in moisture and hydrate dry locks to help smooth frizzy hair. I recently got my hands on this new serum. It's the Tresemme Pro Pure Moisture Boost Serum and I'm totally loving it. Apply it on semi-dry hair from the midsection and the ends of the hair. Then using a white tooth comb it through the hair. This serum infused with aloe vera helps calm my tresses, which by providing it with moisturizing and nourishing properties that adds a lot of natural shine, minus the frizz. I'm sure most of us like to dry our hair with a blow dryer. But truth be told, it's best to embrace the natural texture of your hair as much as possible, especially during the rainy months. Excessive use of heat affects the health of the scalp. Reason being, if the scalp is exposed to excess heat, it is possible to experience inflamed boils on the scalp. Plus, it can cause frizz in your mane, thereby bringing your hair game down drastically. On days when you just need to succumb to some serious hairstyling, then make sure to prep your hair with a heat protectant spray on a low heat setting. I like to use the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protection Spray. Spritz it liberally throughout the hair lengths before the styling. This heat protectant is infused with marula oil, which has hydrating, moisturizing and occlusive properties that not just protects the hair against heat but also detangles stubborn knots, avoids frizz, tames flyaways, adds shines and makes my hair soft to touch. Once your hair is dry, put your hair in a protective hairstyle to help curb the frizziness. Hairstyles like Dutch braids, center-parted low buns, flat twisted pigtails or pineapple updos are both chic and help keep the hair out of your face. When you take off your hairdo, you will find your hair in a much more manageable state as opposed to wearing it down. So guys, I hope you like this ultimate scalp care routine that will save your hair this monsoon. So make sure you take good care of your scalp this monsoon with these easy tips and product recommendations. Before you leave, do like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Bye!